What's happening, guys? Looks like we are live. How's everybody? Just wanted to make sure our sound is good. Oh, you can't see me. All right. Welcome. It's been a long time, right? How's everyone? Well, I was at the conference. First of all, whosoever has not seen the conference video, you have to watch this conference video. There is a lot of inside information. It's in the video format. It's called the Mainnet 2024 NYC. Guys, it's very important. I met big founders, of huge projects, or the projects that are going to be huge, I feel. I go to this conference, spend my time and effort. It's for you. Make sure you watch it, man. It's a 40-minute conference. Every single minute is important, okay? So let's see what's happening with the market and what's happening with Bitcoin. Okay. Here we are. So Bitcoin is in this parallel channel, right? As we discussed before. Until we get out of this channel, there's always a chance. Always a chance for Bitcoin. I don't want to spoil your mood, but, I have mentioned this several times. That Bitcoin is going to between $108,000 to $120,000, guys. Anything happens in between is just noise. Okay? So, if we are not able to get out of this channel, there's a possibility the bottom of the channel, we might break the bottom of the channel and can hit 45 and could possibly come to this range, okay? In this range right here. So for Bitcoin, it's very important right now that we break this channel, go above it, and do a retest of this channel. So something like this. Bitcoin needs to go out aggressively out, get a new all-time high around 75 and get back on the channel right here. Come back on the channel before it goes up, okay? Or else it'll procrastinate. The time for this bull run. Again, Bitcoin does not have much time. We've been spending too much time here. I feel that this is how it's going to play out. Okay? It is totally possible that by the end of the year, Bitcoin could be sitting at or between $108,000 to $120,000. Yes. Let me show you how I project this. So the bottom of this arc, where it leads. So we have time, right? If we go from here, if you look at the bigger picture, so there's another trend line that we have been following from the start of this bull run. That is this. Okay? And it leads us to the same point. So I would say between 108 to 120,000, maybe pushing it 22, okay? And Bitcoin will slow down here. Might get a pullback to, it won't slow down right away. You expect. There are two ways it can go. It can go down first to these levels and then go up. Or we could go have a pump to 68, maybe 69, and then come back down and then go up. What happens in between, as I said before, is just noise. I believe Bitcoin is going to between $108,000 to $120,000. Okay? Are you able to hear me? Let me make sure. It says YouTube is not. Hold on, let's see. I forgot to do something. Hopefully you have the sound clear. Okay, I think this should resolve the problem. If I forgot to do that. Straight TV, baby. BCH tested, support perfectly. Yes. What up, brother? How are you, Brian? Guys, make sure to hit that like. I'm going to another conference on the 9th. I'm going to the permissionless. I'm in contact with some big guys now, man. You know, I just spoke to the founder of Blockworks today. And we exchanged conversation, had a chat. His company is organizing permissionless in Utah. Okay, the whole conference has been organized by him. So, yeah, man. So there are many people that I have contact with. So there are times I would get some information that it's not mainstream. And you would get this information on the channel or on the Patreon. So let's see what is happening with FunctionX. Okay, one of my Patreon wanted FunctionX. FunctionS. Okay, look. We already set this up how I feel is gonna work out. So I would get cautious somewhere around here in this range in FunctionX. It's gonna go up, but in this range I would get cautious here. Can we get a wick to 120, 126? Yes, it's possible, but it's also possible we might just kiss 80 cents and pause. Okay, this is FunctionX. Let me show you. There are so many coins. They're just waiting to pump. But this is the range. When exactly we will reach there, the timeline could be, you know, from Q1 to the summer of 2025. Okay. So how long it's going to go sideways, I can't say that. Let's see if there's a way if we can figure that out. Yeah, these, see, it's a falling wedge, but again, even after that, if it has to go sideways, it can still go sideways. And if it gets out of this arc, then it can go sideways like this forever before it goes straight up like this. Okay, not always these arcs work. So very crucial right now for us is to make sure we get a pump right now and we don't break this arc. Okay, if we get a pump, it's okay if we pump and dump. It is totally fine that we go to this range. Like, say, I would call this a little channel as well. Right here. So get out of the channel. Right, go to 30, 35 cents. You know, the next pump I would like to see is about 30 cents. And then get back on the channel. It's okay to get back on the channel or below the channel to 21 cents. Go about 30 cents and crash to 20 cents. Or a little lower. Maybe, yeah. 20 cents, 19 cents. So that means the arc will be intact and we are going up. That is FunctionX for you. And Pundi X. Pundi X. How's everyone, man? Who watched the conference video? The most important video of this channel is the conference video. Guys, make sure to watch it. Watch. It's 40 minutes of your life. It's worth it. Okay, so what's up with this Pundi X? As I said, we are stuck in this channel, right here. So until we get out of this channel, how long we are going to be in it, that no one can say. Let's do a 3-day. Let's do a 3-day. See how many times it has tried quite a few times to get out of this channel, but it's been unsuccessful. But the next level, I would say, for 618 is right here, bro. So $1.60 from here, that's a nice size pump. When that happens, I cannot say that. So 300 to 350% pump. It could, the wick could go even 191. Okay, so and there's a possibility we might come back down to the channel. Okay, so from $1.60, $1.83 pullback, or 40-45% whenever that happens. So it can, as I said, it can go sideways. How long it's gonna go sideways, I cannot confirm that. It can go do this, come back down one more time, and start to go back up. Okay, so how long that's going to happen, I don't know. When exactly we'll reach at this point, I don't have a concrete answer to that, but that's the next level. Whenever we pump or taking profits, so this would be the level where I would be taking some profits, and I would like to see it reach, because there's a big resistance right here. So between this range, yeah, this is where $1.50 to $1.80 would be the range where I would like to see this go. Yeah, how many days we've been going sideways? It's incredible. 1,200 days. Yep. But as I said, once we get out of this channel, this is when the next level is $1.50 to $1.70, where you expect a pullback. Okay, let's look at XYO. XYO. I personally really like XYO. I really like the chart of XYO. If you look on a weekly, this has come down perfectly to a range. Look at that. Just perfect, man. Perfect bounce. Again, how long it's going to stay here? Next level, I would say that we might find some resistance would be at this level right here, because it spent a lot of time here in this range, so it'll be very difficult for XYO to go above this range. It's totally possible that XYO could spend some time here. The big run will come, okay? The big run will come, but XYO could spend time here. I'm just little concerned that we spend a lot of time here in this range. So, like, if we wait to trade here and wait, we could possibly miss the next run that is going to come. And if I'm wrong, we might not stop here and just keep on going up like that, okay, to this range. The level that I personally would like is this level. 4 cents. You know, that's where I think we are going. We won't be able to pass, I think, the all-time high the first time. So I would say somewhere around 4 cents. This would be the next level. So the next pump, whenever that happens, after the consolidation from here, would be a magnificent 6 or 8x. 6 to 8x. That is a lot. If you look at the bottom from here, where we called the bottom for XYO, from the bottom, we are looking at 10x, right? So how long we are going to consolidate here, I have no clue. We can consolidate here, you know, do something like this and consolidate here before we start going up, okay? So we have to waste some time, I feel, especially towards the end of the year. So we might reach here by October, November and waste some time here, because I expect a pullback during that time. Somewhere around November, have a pullback and then start gearing up like in December and Jan. Okay. But that's the target. That's a nice number, man. That's a nice number. Dale, I am here. Never fear. Druville, hey Shrey, good to see you live. Can you chart math if you get a chance? Pundi has 100% of supply and circulation, correct? I don't know, bro. Jut B, GST. Nothing has changed in GST, Jut. It's a late night for you, Jut, in London. In England, I don't think you live in London, but England, what time is it right now here? So we are talking about around 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Okay, so we are talking about GST. As I said, I would not mess with the short-term trading strategy. It could be very risky, but because you don't want to miss the next bump that is going to come. Not in GST. I don't want to get you excited about GST, but GST could pump to these levels. Okay, this is GST, and GST could pump to these levels right here. Next pump should be around 2 cents level. So that is a significant pump. Like, you've been stuck in GST and you'll be like, no, it's not significant pump, Shrey. I feel you, but hey, I'm just a messenger, bro. You know? So that's the level that I'm looking at, the pump to these levels. The wicks might go as high as this, right? But that's the level I'm expecting whenever that happens. But what I believe, there's a strong possibility of it going like that, wasting almost, you know, then come back down one more time before we start our run. Okay, total possibility. So if you want to take a chance to you know, trade, you can. Again, as I said, I could be wrong and you could miss the run that I feel. You know, I could be totally wrong. Instead of doing this, it can just keep on going and leave us behind. Because, you know, it can do this as well at this level. It could go to the next level up because we are expecting a pullback here, and it might not do that and then come back down, right? When you get back in here thinking, oh man, it's leaving me behind, let me get in, and then pull back all the way back down and starts to go back up, okay? So this is the level. Well, I am thinking this 2-cent level this here, 0.025, I would say 0.0259 to 0.0298. That's the level I am looking at for GST. Bitcoin buy John, Shred TV time. Yeah, baby. Let's look at math. I get so tired sometimes when going to these conferences. You have to walk a lot. Anytime I go to a conference, I have 20,000, 22,000 steps on my thing. Crazy. Is that the one? Okay, what's pumping? See, let's see. Assemble AI ASM protocol. They renamed it. It's been pumping. Okay. There's a meme coin I put on the Patreon. Again, it's an inside information, a meme coin that we put on our Patreon that I think is going to be big. Okay. I think it's going to be big. The market cap's still in millions, and I expect it to be in billions. Where was I? Again, I'm not the one. I don't like to shill anything. I spoke to a few individuals at the conference, and they are the one who told me, and I presented that information to my Patreon. You know, you do you, right? If you feel, do your own research, and if you feel it's good, meme coins are meme coins, man. There's, you don't know, right? But I got the information from somebody big, so yeah, who are in the game. So math. This music is really sad. I don't like it. You know, I thought it was lo-fi. This is lo-fi house I wanted. And this is very depressing, like relaxing. It is relaxing, but I don't want to fall asleep. You know what I mean? Let's do stray sounds.
I wanna wake up in the morning.
One time out of 10, 2 times.
Yeah, baby. Me love this kind of music. Life is good. Hi, Shrey. Anyway, we can look at TET. Sure. Thanks, bro, for the $20. What do you think? Yeah, documentary was sick, Brudge. Thank you, brother. Jut, haven't seen it. Send a link. Where should I send a link? Bro, it's on the Patreon. You're on the Patreon. I have posted a link to it on the Patreon. It's on my YouTube. Just here. Crypto Conference, Mainnet 2024 NYC. How can you miss this? I've been getting a lot of complaint that YouTube is not sending notifications. Guys, it's your job to go on my channel and check what I have posted. Okay, if you have to go every day, go every day. You know, don't be, you know, don't wait for the notifications because it'll not send you notifications. Don't rely on notifications. Just, you know, if I want to watch something, I go on a person's channel and see what's up so that I don't miss it. Right? Dale, yeah, the second GST scenario you drew is like it's giving up a big middle finger on the chart. If we trade. Yeah. How are you, bro? I have to see how to buy that meme. Yes. Michael Jabroni, what's the meme coin? Bro, it's on the Patreon. It's not happy. Not about that, Inkshray. I am about the Satoshi documentary. Oh, Satoshi documentary. Oh, the HBO one. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't... That's just propaganda just to, you know, get everyone watch. Sensationalize things so that people watch the documentary. Okay, he's talking about a different link. Okay, got it. All right, so we were looking at math. I hope this bull run's not over for math. Sorry, man. I don't want to talk like that. I'm bullish right now. So this thing obviously it has to break out of this channel. If math needs to have a bull run, it has to break this channel. Okay? Then it's just going to the freaking moon. Once it breaks this channel, and if it breaks this channel, it's going to the moon. Or else it'll just go to the oblivion. If it does not pump, and it breaks this channel right here. Not break, it goes below this level right here. 10-cent level. That means math is gonna die, bro. Math is gonna die and have a miserable level, you know? It could be something like this. Okay, and when I say die, that means, you know, you go like this sideways and then the bull run comes. Okay, so if math, it has to pump. I'm giving you a very bearish scenario for math, but that's what the channel tells me. So what we got to do for math is to not go any lower than this. Any lower than this, math is done, like 12 cents. So math needs to be aggressive because I'm bullish this month. October is locked in and loaded. We need to go to these levels, right? $1.27, right? We need to push above, get out of this channel, and give me a weekly close. A weekly close at $1.50, between $1.50 to $1.60, and then come back down on this channel, right? It's okay to come back down and revisit friends before you go up, okay? To the freaking moon. TET. What is TET? By the way, some random guy on my YouTube channel posted a comment. You know, he said, "Oh, do your own research. These coins are getting delisted." Bro, there are 40,000 freaking coins. What do you expect? You know, coins get delisted. Sucks. It sucks. It's a gamble, okay? Everyone in crypto should understand one thing. Crypto is gamble. 100% gamble. You know? If your luck is on your side, you will make it. No technical analyst can do anything if there's a scam like FTX or Luna. The company just takes your money and goes away, right? This, for example, math guys can say, hey, the project shut down. The owner took everything and just whoop, it can just go and the project dies, right? It dies. No technical analyst can help you, right? But this coin, CRPT, and he talked about this coin. It was like, oh, this coin got delisted and this happened and that happened. It didn't get delisted. What happened was they named this coins CRPT to call Choice.ai. Choice AI, I think that's the name. CHOICE. Cho, yeah, that's the ticker symbol. What we saw before. Where's Cho? CHO. It's called Choice something. It was right there. Here. Choice.ai. So they swapped one CRPT to one Choice token. Okay, I'm not talking to Ivan. Ivan, there was somebody else on my YouTube channel said CRPT got delisted. They swapped the token, right? And man, I can't do anything about it if the coin dies. If it dies, it dies, okay? We all know crypto is dangerous. Anytime you play that game, you have to be ready to lose money, okay? You have to be ready to lose money. Nobody likes that. I have lost money. If the project shuts down, what can I do? Or anybody can do about it. No one can do anything about it. So the next level, as I said, we could possibly, how quickly we go, between $30 to $80. That's a level for this coin. Math. I would say 786, $30, $50 would be a level where you need to get cautious if it decides to go up. TET, let's do TET. That's Tether. What is that, man? What's TET? Tectum. TECTUM. It's not there, so let's see if we can find here. Tectum emission token. Yeah, look at the scribble, man. Look at the scribble. Bro, are you looking at this? I think you asked for it and we did the scribble. Right. Look at this. And we're on the path. You see the scribble, bro? Look at that. Yeah, so we need to get... I think this is where we are going. Unless it just wants to demoralize you. Then what it could do... The demoralization could come right here. Let me show you. If it intends to demoralize people, we could do something like this. Okay. I personally think we are going to 50, 60 cents, and I would get cautious here at these levels. 60 cents, 70 cents possible. But if it wants to demoralize you, what it could do is just go halfway and come back down. So let's take this off the table. How quickly it goes, if it just drags its feet, and by December, if it's not, by December or Q1 it's not here and it's still rolling around here, by December, Jan, if it's hanging out around here, then it could come all the way back down here. So timing is very important. So December to first Q1, if it has not reached at this level, then there's a possibility that the whole move can come back down one more time before it goes back up. Okay, so here, let's see, halfway 618. I would say 618 would put us at between, I would say, yeah, $19.54 to, I would say, $21. So we have to see as it. Okay, I'll keep the scribble. Bitcoin buy down. I think TET is the real deal. Only 10 million total supply. Layer 1 fastest blockchain, 3.5 MTPS. Okay. Shrey, could you please check Zilliqa, Raj? Shrey, aka Ivan Drago of crypto. If it dies, it dies. Who's Ivan Drago? Ivan Drago. Let me Google Ivan Drago. What is that? Who is that? Ivan Drago. Ivan Drago of crypto. Well, I like that. You're funny, dude. You're funny, man. You're funny. Where was I? Got me off topic. Raj wants to look at Zilliqa. So just because we have wasted time here, I don't know if we're going to waste time here at that 22 cents level. I am concerned now that we might not waste time and go, straight up. It's possible. So risk trading at your own risk, okay? Still showing. Yeah, still shows me 20 cents. This 20 cent mark will be tough to cross, bro. But yeah, that's where we are going, I think. 20 cents from here. Zilliqa. Or else this thing's gonna die, bro. We have to go by December or Q1. We should be looking at between, I would say, 19 to 20 cents. Might as well get a new all-time high, 30 cents, okay? And then consolidate here for months and months, have a nice pullback before it starts to go back up, okay? But it looks miserable right now. It looks freaking miserable. But I love this chart. I love this chart. So looking at the channel, see, 19-20 cents will be a tough deal to cross, but I think that's where we are going. That's where we are heading. And when the pump starts, it's going to be aggressive and fast. Okay. What do you mean all the coins I buy get die-element? Akeem, that laugh sounded a little too evil for my blood. The girl that I'm dating, you know, she says, Shrey, you have a rich person's laugh. I was like, what does that even mean? You know, I've been laughing like this since I was a kid, man. I got bullied when I was a kid to laugh like this, and I didn't give a fuck. I'm gonna laugh like the way I want. A lot of people, you know, when I was at work, I used to sell real estate, and when I find something funny, I laugh like the way I want. I don't need anyone's permission to laugh. This is my laugh. God gave me this laugh, and I will laugh like the way I want. And this old lady, she turns around and she was like, oh my God. Like, I was really quiet because I was new. For 6 months, I wouldn't laugh or anything, but something happened. And I thought nobody was in the cubicle. I was the only one I thought I was there. And my friend cracked a joke, and I started to laugh. And she was like, oh my God, was that you, Shrey? Oh my God, the laugh. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I was a young kid, you know. I was like, 23 at the time. But yeah, it is what it is. I love to laugh, man. Me and my buddies, or even alone, I watch some memes and laugh. For me to laugh at least half an hour in a day is very important. Very important. I laugh every day for half an hour. You know, sometimes my mom says, you are crazy. You know, because I'm laughing so loud she could hear it upstairs. But let's look at it. Let's look at what's pumping. Okay, one more thing I want to talk about is Flare. Flare looks ready, bro. Flare token, Flare FLR is a ticker symbol. The only thing I'm worried about, how is it even possible that thing pumps 40-50x? That's almost $1 billion market cap for Flare. That's my only concern, but the chart is pointing towards that, bro. It's not me. I don't make the rules. I am just a messenger, and the chart looks too bullish to me. To moi. The chart looks bullish. To moi, chart looks uber bullish for Flare. Almost $1 billion in market cap, so if it's gonna 40x, that means $40 billion are gonna come. Where are they gonna come from? I don't know, but it has to go reach this level right here, according to the chart. According to the chart, the next level where it would go would be this level right here. 60 cent to 78 cents. Again, the run's not done there, I feel. But that's a $40 billion increase in market cap. 40 billion. So right now it's here. And yeah, 40x, bro. 65 cents is 40x. Incredible. So something big might be coming to this project, but I'm really hesitant. But the RSI and everything tells me, look at this RSI, it's bloody dead at the bottom, man. This thing's ready to move up. This is the weekly RSI. This thing is ready to move up like this, right? To make another pump, right? And at this time, I believe we could, go cross the RSI in 80s somewhere when we reach this level. And I don't think we might get a pullback there. We might get a pullback there. Like that. Again, don't quote on me, man. This is, again, a huge market cap. They can dump on us. I could be wrong. And they could fucking keep on dumping and dumping. If it breaks this arc, and go any lower or comes back down, this coin is dead coin. Okay? It has to pump right now. And I think my heart says it's going to pump like a motherfucker. Okay? It's going to pump. And this is the level it'll go to, you know, between, yeah, that's the level. That's where I would expect a pullback. I would expect a pullback here, you know, a nice size pullback. Goes back up. You know, next level up would be $1.31. That would be the level. But who am I? I'm some guy on the internet. Do your own research, guys, okay? This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Not a financial advice. BCH holding strong. Yeah, we've done so many videos about BCH, bro. What do you mean? Akeem, the dream. You see my comment above, Trump trying to make BTC purchase and the gut helping him hat and quote saying cash only. And the beefsteak. Would be interested to hear your take. Well, again, that was a good marketing. Trump trying to buy pizza, right? I don't know the second video where he was trying to buy steak. But anyways, I have to go, guys. You know, yeah, I have to go somewhere. So that'll be all for the night. We did quite a bit. I don't want to prolong the stream, but I will see you later. Okay, I'll be going to the conference on the 9th. I'll be in Utah, and if you're in Utah, we can meet. Okay, I'll be in Utah for 3 days at the Permissionless conference. That is going to be huge. That conference. Look at the speakers that are going to be there. So again, these are all the speakers. Endless list of speakers. So many co-founders of so many companies. These are the speakers, okay? I'm not talking about the founders. There'll be other people. They'll have a lot of different booths where there will be a lot of different founders from different projects. And there'll be a lot of big people there. This is one of the biggest conferences, guys, okay? I'm super excited. Super excited for this conference. All the tickets are booked. Hotels done. DUN. Okay. It's at Hyatt Regency in Salt Lake City. BTC dominance looking like it wants to roll over. Thanks, brother. Sure. Not his hat, said beefsteak. Jacket said cash only. The gut. Oh, okay. All right. I'll see you guys. Hasta la vista, baby. Straight baby.